Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Scripting functionality can be a powerful addition to your .NET applications, allowing you to provide users with the ability to extend and customize the application's behavior without having to recompile the entire code base. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to add scripting functionality to your .NET applications using the Roslyn scripting engine. We'll cover the following topics. Before we begin, make sure you have a .NET project ready. You can create a new one or use an existing one. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of C# and .NET development. The Roslyn scripting engine is a part of the .NET Core SDK, so you don't need to install any additional packages. However, you'll need to add the microsoft.codeanalysis.csharp.scripting package to your project. You can do this using the nuget package manager or by adding the following line to your .csproj file. Replace the version number with the latest available version. In your project, create a class to handle scripting interactions. For example, this class includes a method executeScriptAsync that takes a C# code string as input, compiles and executes it, and then handles any compilation or execution errors. Now, you can use the scripting service to execute scripts from your application. Here's an example of how you might use it. This simple console application allows the user to input C# code, which is then executed using the scripting service. To pass data between your application and the script, you can use the globals object. Here's an example of how to pass a variable from your application to the script. Modify your scripting service class to include the execute script with variable async method. Now, the data variable is accessible in the script. Adding scripting functionality to your application can introduce security risks, especially if you allow users to execute arbitrary code. Here are some security considerations. Code validation: always validate and sanitize user input before passing it to the script. Sandboxing: consider executing scripts in a sandboxed environment to restrict access to system resources. Permissions: limit the permissions of the script execution context, so scripts cannot perform dangerous operations. Use trusted sources: only allow trusted sources to submit scripts for execution. Monitoring: keep logs of script executions for auditing and debugging purposes. By following these guidelines, you can safely add scripting functionality to your .NET applications while mitigating security risks. That's it. You've learned how to add scripting functionality to your .NET applications using the Roslyn scripting engine. This can open up a world of possibilities for customization and extensibility in your applications while maintaining security and control. ChatGPT